Good morning, boys and girls. Um, we're going to get started with Irish today. Before I begin, I'd just like to thank everyone who sent me nice messages. I really appreciate it. Today we're going to have a Kahoot quiz. Here's the code here. It will, of course, be in the description below. My advice today would be to keep trying at it until you get them right. There's 13 words, and you can keep repeating until you get it again. Of course, I'll go through all the words now. Okay, so let's jump straight into it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the person's name, and you can feel free to pause at that point. Try and read the line before I do, and then listen to me read it. Okay, here we go. Shifra. Nach raibh an stoirm a réir go fásach, ní raibh mé in an dul chuile. Okay, nach raibh, so wasn't. So raibh wasn't. Nach raibh wasn't. An storm, the storm. A réir, well, new is today, a réir is last night. Go fásach, terrible. Ní raibh mé in an dul chuile. I wasn't able to dul chuile, go asleep. Okay, Magda. Déich mé amach I rith an oíche, agus bhí na cruinn go léir ag luascadh ó taobh go taobh. Bhí sé ag stealladh freisin. Okay, let's look at that. Déich mé amach. I looked amach out. I rith na oíche. So I rith normally means to run, but when it's I rith, it means during. So I rith na oíche during the night. Bhí na cruinn, cran is trees, crin is cran is trees, crin is trees, cran is tree, crin is trees even, sorry. Go léir ag luascadh. Well, you might be ag luascadh or the chathair use, which is be swinging on your chair. So the trees were swinging. Ag luascadh, swinging. Or swaying maybe. It might be better for the trees, but ag luascadh, swinging or swaying. Ó thaobh go taobh. Taobh is side, so ó thaobh go taobh, from side to side. The trees were swinging from side to side. Bhí sé ag stealladh freisin. Well, ag stealladh is lashing. Báistí rain, so it was lashing rain freisin as well. Okay, Shifra. Have you read it well? Let's go. Chúla mé é. Bhí an gcuaigh ag séideadh na báistí in aghaidh miniog. Okay, Shifra. So chúla mé é. Chúla, I heard. I heard it. Bhí an gcuaigh, the wind, ag séideadh, blowing. So bhí an gcuaigh ag séideadh na báistí, the rain, in aghaidh miniog. Well, let's take a look at this word aghaidh. Aghaidh normally means your face. Okay, aghaidh. But in aghaidh means against. So ag séideadh na báistí in aghaidh miniog, it was blowing the wind against my my window. So it was blowing the rain against my inyo. In aghaidh means against. Magda. Agus cad faoi an tintrach agus faoin turnach. Cad faoin tintrach agus an turnach. Well, tintrach is lightning. Agus faoin turnach, well, if you guess tintrach was lightning, turnach must be thunder. So tintrach agus faoin turnach. What about cad faoi? What about the lightning and about the thunder? Ba bheag nar lig mé béachasam. Clis an letricus erbse. Okay. So ba bheag nar. Well, we had this earlier in the year. Ba bheag nar means I nearly. So it's to do with nearly. So ba bheag nar lig mé. I nearly let out, lig, béach, a shout, awesome, out of me. Os me, awesome. So ba bheag nar lig mé béach awesome. I nearly let a shout out of me. Clish an litricus erbse. So clish is to like cut, or was there a power cut. Letricus erbse. Remember we talked about that. May, misha. Anything with that sh sound at the end of it is usually just an emphasis word. So erv, ert, erhi, erin, erv, erhu. Erv, on use, or on ye. Yeah, well, that's not correct English, but on you plural. So did the electricity cut in your house, or did you lose electricity in your house? Shifra. Clish. Ní raibh mé an toasta a dhéanamh margin. So yes, it was cancelled. Clish. Or it was cut. Ní raibh mé ní raibh mé an toasta a dhéanamh margin. I wasn't able to make toast this morning. Magda. Ar cúla tú faoi bóthar na trá? Ar cúla again heard. Did you hear about bóthar na trá, like the road on the beach, or it's obviously the name of the road in this particular town? Shifra. Níor thula, cad a thorla. I didn't hear. What happened? Tá an bóthar ar fad faoi uisce. Faoi means under, uisce water, so the entire road is underwater. Darira is like seriously or really. Seriously is probably better, like seriously. Agus cúla mé gur hit crán ar teach I níl tá an dín scrista. Okay, so seriously, and agus cúla mé, I heard that a tree fell on the O'Neill house. Tá an dín scrista. Well, dín is like bore on teach, the top, so the roof. Dín is roof. Scrista, well, we talked about Scrisan being a destroyer, so Scrista is destroyed, so the roof is destroyed. Magda. Tásúla gom nach bhfuil aon duine gortatha. Tásúla gom. Well, I know súil means I, so that means I have an eye. No, it doesn't, guys. I'm only messing with you. Tásúla gom means I hope. Okay. I hope nach bhfuil aon duine gortatha, that no one is hurt. Okay, Sulagum. I hope that no one is hurt. Ceapam, I think. Ceapam go bhfuil siad go léir slán sa bhfáilte. I think that they are all slán sa bhfáilte, safe and sound. Or safe, very safe. Safe and sound is probably the best way to say. Slán sa bhfáilte, safe and sound. Magda. Buíochas le dia. Tá sé fián an with fós. Buíochas le dia. Oh, thanks be to God. So buíochas le dia, thanks be to God. Or thank God, thanks be to God. Tá sé fián an with fós. Fián, wild. So it's wild out there still, fós. Tásúla gom go mbeidh sé níos cinálta amórach. So I hope, remember tásúla gom, I hope that it will be níos cinálta, kinder tomorrow, or softer, nicer weather. Okay, let's take a look at our questions now. Ar cúla tú faoi cathair na Gaeilge, bhí stoirm I bhfásach ann a réir. Bhí daoine in an gcuid a cloisteáil an oíche ar fad. So, did you hear about this Galway city? The storm last night was awful. People were able to hear cloisteáil here, the gcuid, the wind, the whole night. So, let's take a look at these. We're going to try and fill in the gaps in these sentences. So, ar cúla tú faoi Sumatra san Indonéis. So, something. Bhí daoine I Singapore in an creathna a bhuthú. Creathna. Well, cra is crit. Crit talún is a shaking of the earth. So, an earthquake. So, ar cúla tú faoi an Sumatra. Let's look for crit talún. Parla crit talún an inye. So an earthquake happened there. So that's one done. Great. Ar cúla tú, well, let's Albin, Scotland. So how do we say about? Ar cúla tú faoi. Ar cúla tú faoi and faoin Albin. We'll have to add an N. Faoin Albin. Okay, we don't know what goes in here yet. Ní raibh daoine na bóithre a úsáid. So people weren't able to use the road mar bhí sé clúdaithe le sneachta. Okay, because it was covered in snow. Okay, so we can fill in the other lines now. So ar cúla tú faoin Albin. Okay. Hitch níos mó ná tríocha centimeter sneachta. Ní raibh daoine, and let's look, in on, able to. Okay, in on, able to. And that should be fine. 3. Air. Well, let's use the words from our previous sentences. Air. Did you hear? Air cúla tú. About. Faoi. Caherkirky, so Cork City. And there's a big blank here. Ní raibh daoine, well, it's going to be in on, able to, dul amach mar bhína bóithre faoi uisce. So we need to find out which of these is going to be about water. So the Doton Farisha, well, we remember last week that Doton Farisha is a forest fire. So bhí sé ag cur báistí go trom ar feadh seachtain. It was raining heavily for a week. So that obviously goes in there. Okay, guys, well done. If you want to try 4 there, you can, but I think I only left you 3. Have a go at your Kahoot, and I hope to hear from you soon.